Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Jason Deshawn, Mike Thompson's RV Superstores out here in beautiful Fountain Valley, California. Today we're going to go through our Grand Design Transcend Xplor edition, brand new floor plan for 26. This is going to be our 23BXL. We'll start with a couple things on the outside and then move in on the inside. First, we're going to go with our electric tongue jack. Makes everything convenient up and down. You also have the light up front for when you're guiding back in to hook up. It makes it a lot easier, especially at nighttime. We don't always get to the campground at the same time at night, remember that. Also going to go through to our unobstructed pass-through storage. You'll notice through here when you take a look, you won't see any wires, no poles, no plumbing, nothing hanging down. So when you're pulling stuff in and out during the day or night, you're not going to catch on anything. Totally unobstructed. You'll also notice an indoor-outdoor table for some of your outside stuff that I'll point out we have, such as our outside refrigerator. So the kids aren't always running inside and out, grabbing bottles of water, sodas and stuff like that. Keeps it a little cleaner. You'll also have an exterior propane disconnect, so you can put your Blackstones on it, your propane barbecues, things of that nature. That's where you're gonna go ahead and use that outside table. You'll also notice here, we're gonna have our solid steps with the large grab handle assist. Makes it a lot easier to help pick them kids up if they fall asleep at the campfire. Much more stable moving in and out and a lot solid. So as we come back to the back entrance, you're gonna notice it goes directly into the bathroom. The nice thing about that, this is bunkhouse. You're gonna have kids, you're gonna have grandkids, nieces and nephews, friends or whatnot. You're out at the beach, you're out at the lake. You're not having to track in sand, water and everything through the whole coach just to get in to go to the bathroom. As you come back around here, you will notice your JBL speakers inside and out, all Bluetooth capability. Grand Design, really big on pets, so you got a little pet leash right here to help lock them up. So they're still out here being part of the camping scene, but not worried about running off and running around. You also notice your full awning, which covers both entrances with the big LED light that's shining down, so it's not shining bright out at your campsite. It's shining right down here at night, so it makes for a much more comfortable feel. You're also going to have 200 watts of solar on this, which obviously solar is going to keep your battery charged. So you're just going to maintain a lot more enjoyment with these batteries. You'll also notice on all four corners, you do have your crank down jacks. We do provide the tool for it. Most people go out and grab an impact gun or a cordless drill, up and down, easy, just like your electric tongue jack. You move around here, we've got our LP tanks with the cover. These are the smaller LP tanks, which is nice because you can go ahead and switch them out wherever you are. 7-Eleven, Stater Brothers, Bonds, any place like that. You don't have to specifically take time to go find a place that's specifically just for propane. Over here we have our convenience center. It is what it is. It is a convenience center. You can hook up all your water connections through here. You have your solar disconnect. You also have a battery disconnect in here, which can help obviously with the longevity of your batteries. You have a pass-through lights on either side, motion detector sensed, and you'll notice right here, you're gonna have your solar panel control. It's gonna tell me how many watts and volts and everything you have on that. One thing common people complain about with the travel trailer is storage. You notice the front storage we have out there. We also have a large storage out here. So if you wanted to put your Blackstones, your bigger items out here that you're gonna utilize on the front side of your coach for your outside cooking, stuff like that, they dedicate a storage just for that. So you got your nice storage back here for your grills, anything that you're gonna use of that nature. Dump valves nice and high behind the tire where they belong. Come around to the back, you will notice the Grand Design goes ahead and takes the time. They prep it for backup camera. You can go through our service department. They can take care of that need if you want. Really simple. 4 screws, puts it in, everything ready to go, hooks up with the monitor they give you as well. Come on in, we're gonna go on the inside now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, as we discussed the easy access of the bathroom, you'll notice how it isn't gonna track in any of that dirt and sand. It's just more convenient to go ahead and use the bathroom. Huge shower. You got some storage along here for linen, extra toilet rolls. Great positioning of the toilet actually. If you gotta sit, you always gotta give it the little chicken wing. Make sure you got that elbow room because we all know we need it. Also got your nice sink through here with your raised handle, all residential. Extra storage through here for your toothpaste, deodorants, razors. More storage underneath here. Once again with the screen door either side. And all of your windows on the outside of your doors are prepped to have the curtains and the shades put on them if you wanted to add that after the fact. You'll notice in here, you're gonna have your tankless hot water heater control panel. This unit does have the tankless hot water heater, so for Everyone that's taking those 4-minute army showers, you're not having to worry about it now. You're hooked up, you're gonna have continuous hot water the whole time. Come on through here. You notice the Grand Design's huge on storage. So you're gonna get extra storage under here for the kids, for their socks, bathing suits, things like that. Then you got the brains of the unit here, which is gonna have your fuses. It's also gonna have your breakers in there. Oversized bunks, 2 kids on each one easily. They're gonna have USB for here to charge their little iPads and whatever electronics they're gonna use, as well as electric units right here. Come over here, you're gonna notice this nice big slide. One thing I like to point out in a Grand Design is all these windows open. I don't know about everybody else, but I wanna see, smell where I am. If I'm at the beach, I wanna smell the beach. If I'm in Big Bear, I wanna smell the trees. So every window in this unit opens, including the one above the bunk. You're gonna have your 3 recliners here. They're electric recliners, little cup holders on either side. They're accenting lights all the way through. Now you're gonna have your 15,000 BTU air conditioner here. This is the same size unit I'm gonna have on my 30, 35-foot travel trailers, and even some of your smaller fifth wheels. It's gonna be nice and cold in here. And coming back through here, you have your larger refrigerator, your 12-volt refrigerator, which is gonna work in tandem with your solar panels and your 12-volt batteries, 1 or 2 if you choose. Keep in mind this unit is under 30 feet and it's right around 7,000 pounds full, maybe about 5,700 pounds dry. So your larger V6s, V8s, Suburbans, Tahoes, things like that will easily tow it. But being under 30 feet with the bunkhouse, spot on for any spot you guys want to get into, whether you're the beach, the mountains, or things like that. You also come through here, you got dedicated pots, pan storage, your 3-burner stove, soft touch cabinets, you'll notice, microwave above the range with the fan and the light. So if you are cooking bacon and stuff inside, it's gonna blow up and blow outside. So it's just not gonna smell like bacon in here the whole time. You come up in your bedroom, you have a nice privacy curtain, seal it off from the kids. You look around, you got your 60 by 80 bed. On either side in the back, you'll notice what they call the bedroom nook. Great for CPAPs if you happen to have to need one on both sides, because you have your outlets on either side as well as your USB charging. You have your reading light above here, which is a soft touch. You got wardrobes on either side here. Another nice feature about this coach is becoming really popular now. It's wired for Starlink. So add that to it. You're gonna end up having whatever you need for communications throughout. You look under the bed, you'll notice some more storage. You'll also notice shoe storage under here. What I like to point out about this storage is you have a deep, what I call keeping it clean and keeping it dirty storage. So up front through your pass-through, which we saw earlier, you got your fishing poles, your easy ups, things like that, tackle boxes. Underneath here, you can put your linens, blankets, things like that. So you'll have your dirty storage outside, clean storage inside with the gas strut. So it makes it nice and hard and nice and soft to put up and down. And I cannot point out how important it is that all these windows open up. I mean, getting a nice breeze wherever you are. You do have a TV backer right here. So if you wanted to add a television that can swivel out towards the kids or straight above the main bed up here. Once again, Jason DeShawn, Mike Thompson's RV. This is the Transcend. Have a good day.